Wash your hands, make them clean and bright. Soap and bubbles, scrub away. Safety first today. Roll, roll, roll the lemons, make them juicy too. Round and round on the table, fresh lemon juice for you. Cut, cut, cut the lemons, careful as we go. With a grown-up helping us, we learn and safely grow. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze the lemons, juice is flowing down. Pick the seeds out carefully, no seeds will be found. Add some sugar, stir it round and round. Mix it till it disappears, sweetness can be found. Pour, pour, pour the water, mix it all today. Lemonade is coming now, hip, hip, hooray. Taste, taste, taste the lemonade, is it just right? More sugar or more water, make it yummy and bright. Ice, ice, ice cubes floating, lemon slices too. Cool and fresh lemonade.